For a long time, there was not a single IEM to give competition to Truthear Hexa. Well, not anymore. These are Rose Technics Star City 5 Pro, a $75 IEMs, and I'm amazed why no one is talking about them. This is the most complete IEM package I have ever reviewed on this price segment. Let me explain. Well, before starting, this unit was provided to me by Rose Techniques for evaluation purpose, and all the opinions are mine. Check out their catalog, they have some amazing audio devices. I'll share the link in description. It's not an affiliate link, so do check out. And now for the review, let's start with build quality and design. So Star City 5 Pro comes with an amazing and complete package. It includes IEMs, a very nice fabric cable, a lot of ear tips, a hard leatherette case, and a USB-C DAC dongle. Yes, a DAC is included in the box for $75. IEMs are 3D printed, resin made, they are thin and lightweight. The design itself is modern, with light ear printed on top. Durability and construction is similar to as that of all the IEMs in this particular segment. The cable is again very light, fabric coated, and it is a sturdy cable. Overall, it's a very sturdy and a very simple design. Comfort and fit wise as well, these are amazing IEMs. You can wear them all day and you will not even know it. These are light and breezy. The fit and isolation is perfect. There is no ear pressure buildup, etc. It's very comfortable. Specifications wise, it's a hybrid IEM with 1 DD and 2 BA. These are the specifications for Star City 5 Pro. These are easy IEMs to drive, however, with an affordable DAC. With your mobile and laptop devices, they do not perform very well and totally lose their low ends. However, the good news is you do not need to buy a DAC, because the package includes a very capable DAC and it performs really well with Rose Technics Star City 5 Pro. The DAC is equipped with CX31993 chip that we saw in Audiophile D07 and Headphone Zone DD5 DAC as well. And the DAC is very good. It complements these IEM really well. It fills the gap in the IEMs. Let's discuss this with sound. Star City 5 Pro is tuned in a typical U-shaped sound signature fashion, and it is very closely tuned as that of legendary Moondrop Kato. It provides a very good balance of frequency across the ranges, which makes it a versatile IEM to be an all-rounder and all kind of usage. Let's discuss in details, starting with the bass. The bass on Star City 5 Pro is excellently balanced. The sub bass goes deep with a very good rumble, and the mid bass is tight and has a thump to it. It is a very well done bass with some good details and texture with precise attack and decay. However, the amount of bass is not much. If you yearn for bass, you might find bass lacking. I personally found it enough. In the song Move by Suruda, the sub-bass rumble, the mid-bass thump, and the overall punchiness is just solid. It does not lose its character even for a single moment. And the story continues in the mids as well. Mids on Star City 5 Pro are transparent, layered, and natural. It has a very nice weight to all the notes, and the timbre is very natural. Vocals are very well placed in the mids and are not forward, not backward. They go very well with the instruments, especially female vocals. They sound delicious on Star City 5 Pro. However, there's a slight bleed of bass into the lower mids. Because of that, male vocals carry a slight warmth and pushed slightly behind with the instruments. For example, in Sultan of Swings by Dire Straits, the bass guitar takes front with vocals. However, at the same time, if you listen to female vocals, they are perfectly balanced. Treble on Star City 5 Pro is pleasant and very natural sounding. However, in my opinion, it requires a bit more extension. Though the moment you put DAC on it, the extension improves a bit. And that's why I said this DAC is very complementary to these particular IEMs. Treble overall is excellent, however it still requires a bit more air, a bit more sparkle. All in all, Star City 5 Pro performs really well in all three ranges, and it has amazing technicalities as well. It has a very good soundstage with sense of both width and depth. In the song If I Could Sing Your Blues by Sarah Kay, the trumpet comes from far right behind, while at the same time Sarah's voice is just around you and the drum takes the place behind, just top notch. However, To a nitpick, depth can be slightly better. Like in the same song, Sarah's voice can fill the room slightly better. Detail retrieval on these IEM is good as well. It can capture those micro details as well. Though my favorite part about these IEMs is how they capture the atmosphere, the rhythm and timing and the emotions. The physicality of the music overall is just gorgeous. Though it needs some work with its dynamic range, overall a very strong technical performance by Star City 5 Pro. Well, with all this, how does it fare in the market? Let's find out. Let's compare this with the most important IEMs in this budget, Truthear Hexa and Kefine Delci. Well, if I talk about build and design, all of them are very good. However, I am not a fan of Hexa cable, but Delci and Star City 5 Pro go hand in hand. Especially for the overall package, Star City 5 Pro takes total lead. For bass, Delci takes the lead with a very well done and voluminous bass. Though if you lean towards technical side, Star City 5 Pro exhibits a better bass performance. Hexa lags behind in terms of bass for its leaner presentation. In terms of mids, none of these IEMs can touch Hexa. It's just layered, nuanced, natural mids, absolutely correct tonal balance. Though Star City 5 Pro comes very close to Hexa, Delci is slightly warmer presentation. Good if you like relaxed sound signature for casual listening. For treble, Delci takes the lead. With beautiful treble presentation it has. Not harsh, not tame, just perfect. Resolution wise as well, Hexa and Star City 5 Pro goes hand in hand, with Hexa taking lead by a nickel in the detail retrieval. And soundstage wise, Star City 5 Pro is the best amongst the three. It has good holographic nature with precise imaging. Overall, if you want a complete package, Star City 5 Pro is the right IEM. However, you want something for relaxed listening experience, Kefine Delci is a beautiful warm set. And if you like clinical sound to check out raw details, Hexa is still unbeatable. In conclusion, Star City 5 Pro is a hidden gem and it requires mainstream highlight. It's such an underrated IEM. It is the most complete package under $100. And I would give Rose Technics Star City 5 Pro a solid 4 stars. And it gets my absolute recommendation. In fact, it's going to be my go-to recommendation under $75. Period. Well, this was it for Rose Technics Star City 5 Pro. Amazing IEM. Stay tuned. The TWS review is coming soon as well. Till then, do share your thoughts, do subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.